What's up, guys? It's Squizzle again. Today I'm going to do another lock picking video for you. I'm going to pick this Brinks 60mm discus lock. There's a key, so works like that. The shackle goes inside the shroud. So, as you can see, it's a 4-pin. Okay, I'll try it out now. Tension's a little weird. As you can see, there's a lot of play. So, you have to use a little bit more tension than normal, but it also makes you feel like you have to use more tension than is needed. So just kind of, if you're working on one of these discus locks like this, just keep that in mind. Yeah. I'm gonna use this just a normal hook. Okay, there we go. And there it is. Alright. Well, that's it. Be safe. Don't pick locks that aren't yours. Don't pick locks that you rely on. And be safe.